We carry a large line of aftermarket parts that fit DoAll bandsaws. And that ranges from aftermarket blade guides, belts, bearings, pulleys, hundreds of electrical switches. DoAll is one of the oldest American-made bandsaws. It was founded at the beginning of the 20th century. There's some speculation that DoAll actually had the first bandsaw ever patented. So they're a very old company. There are thousands of different models that use a variety of different parts. It's hard to find the correct part for a DoAll bandsaw, but we feel we do a pretty good job of it. Not only do we supply aftermarket parts to fit the DoAll bandsaw, we also supply the bandsaw blades that keep the DoAll bandsaw in top production order. Since DoAll bandsaw parts are very expensive, a lot of DoAll owners take advantage of our blade discount program. That program is if you buy $2,000 in blades in a calendar year, you get an additional 20% off, and that's a big savings for the end user.